And first at 5, former Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill officially arrested and now facing multiple charges. Hill, who was the Clerk of Court during the high-profile Alex Murdaugh murder trial, went before not one but two judges today. And we begin our team coverage tonight with our Katie Solt, who's in Columbia, where Hill had one of those two court appearances today. Katie?
Well, Tessa, here in Richland County, Becky Hill faces a perjury charge, and this is all tied back to allegations of jury tampering during Alex Murdaugh's double murder trial. Murdaugh was, of course, convicted of killing his wife and son back in 2023, but after that 6-week trial, Murdaugh's attorneys came forward and accused Hill of trying to influence the jury. One of the jurors said Hill made comments during that trial that influenced her verdict decision. Hill was hit with 76 counts of ethics violations from the State Ethics Commission and eventually resigned as Clerk of Court. Murdaugh's legal team has been fighting for him to get a new trial based on those allegations. Last year, Hill testified in front of Justice Jean Toll about the allegations, and we now know this is where the perjury charge stems from. SLED documents show Hill lied to Justice Toll about giving evidence to the media. Documents say in February 2023, which was during that 6-week trial, as we all know, Hill gave released evidence photos to a third party. Last year, Judge Toll said while Hill's testimony on the matter was, quote, not entirely credible, she ruled it did not warrant a new trial for Murdaugh. Murdaugh's team, though, still, of course, pushing for a new trial and waiting on decisions from other courts. Hill is expected back in court here in Richland County on July 25th. Today, a judge issuing her a $50,000 PR bond with some conditions. She is allowed to travel out of state for work. We don't know exactly what her new job is. Her lawyer did, though, mention that she is employed and may or may not have to travel out of state at times for her job.